Hi, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to just be continuing the making of our tote bag. So I hope this will also cover the question of how do I fix the buckle for my tote bag. I think I've had that question. I had to take that video down because YouTube slammed me a copyright. I think that because of the choice of sound I used. So here I just went on to sew my buckle strap. Remember we cut buckle strap too, so I went on to just fold them, and this is it. That's not how I was done sewing. What you need to do now is get a puncher to perforate a hole somewhere in the middle of the strap, and I did that behind off camera rather. And as soon as I was done, I just brought my buckle, and you would see how I put the buckle. Kindly observe that, so please. I already perforated the hole, and that is it on the leather, and this is my buckle. So you can see I put the leather from under, not on top, then put the buckle iron into the hole, and I brought it all the way down. Can you see? So I'll just go on to replicate the same thing on the other buckle strap, and as soon as I'm done, I will just secure it down on my machine. Yeah, it's as simple as that. I'll just secure it down on my sewing machine, and that is just that about buckle. See, I had to open that place because it's a flathead machine, so I wanted that to go in, and I just tack it so that our buckle does not keep pulling in and out. That's the reason for that. So after I'm done with that, I just trim out my thread and I replicate on the other strap. Alright, so at this point we just go on to fix it on our bag fabric. So to make sure that it's even, I took a measurement of 3.5 by the side, right? And on the top I took a measurement of 5 inch. 5 inch. That's because it's a big bag. If it's not a big bag, I would advise that you make it a bit smaller. Yeah, so I just went on, I used my glue to secure it down there. I did the same thing to the other side, and I went on to stitch. So as you can see, after securing it with just a little glue please, then I just went on to sew. Alright, and that way our hand is very secured. I just went on to sew it, and that was that for the buckle. As simple as ABC. Alright, so as soon as I was done with that, I went on. This is the strap we cut, remember, 33 by 1.5. So I'll just go into my sewing machine and I fold to stitch it all the way down. I do the same thing to the both strap. So if you're having like difficulty with sewing, you can always apply oil to your leather. It helps for easy movement. So I did that here as well. So as you can see, I was done with the boot strap. So I just take it over to the other side of the leather. Okay, so one is actually supposed to be connected here. I just perforate a hole on it and I connect it in. You know how to put the buckle strap, that is it. But if you do not know, let me know in the comment section. So I just mark a hole, mark a point, sorry, and I mark a point as well where I can perforate my hole.